बचपन से ही rather, मेरे पापा मुझे हमेशा बोलते थे that you must have an opinion. तो इवन इन द फैमिली हम लोग कुछ भी डिस्कस करते थे, इट ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू बी लाइक व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन दिस, यू नो.
Nice.
I was a tomboy growing up, and I would fight a lot with my brother, and I was always very unhappy if somebody treated me differently than my brother. Because you know, when you're younger, you don't really understand being a girl and being a boy, right? But your parents are going to be very protective of you. So there were a lot of times that he was, you know, spoken to differently than me. And I used to feel very happy about that. But if, like, spoken differently, as in my dad would yell at him and not yell at me
Achha.
ever. But yeah, there were a lot of things my dad used to do to favor me. Like, he would really, like, I would always say daddy's little girl, but I also feel my mother favored my brother. So it was balanced in the house. So
Right.
my brother would go complain to my mother, and I would go complain to dad.
Yeah.
तो वो होता था बहुत.
You know, you've also spoken a lot about, you know, body issues. उसके बारे में भी आपने, you know, बात की है. So would you want to, like, what helped you उस point पर, and what was that really, like, that point where you felt like, okay, I need to do something about this?
So I wouldn't call it body issues. I would call it health issues for me. I think the body issues really would have, even if they did kicked in after, when the health got better.
Okay.
Because when it was problematic, which is like being overweight for unhealthy reasons, I was I didn't care. So when I was growing up, I was overweight and I didn't know any better. I was like, मैं तो ऐसे ही हूँ. And I've been called like everything. I've been called a Yeti. I've been called Shrek. Because I was like, Shrek, yeah. Because my name is Shreya. So there used to be this one boy who used to call my pet name was Shrek. Because I was like this big person. But I don't know what it was. It just never bothered me. I was like, हाँ मैं हूँ Shrek. अभी मैं क्या बोलूँ? But I think it was after when I decided to kind of lose the weight, it wasn't so much because of you know, I want to look a particular way. It was when I started getting really unwell, and it started like taking a toll on me, on my back, and I couldn't do things that, you know, I wanted to do. So I was like, oh, now I have to fix this.
Yeah.
My first ever boyfriend of life, liked me even when, you know, I was more overweight than I was later, you know, which I think is so special, and I feel so nice that I knew somebody like that who didn't, you know, care so much about the physicality of things and stuff like that.
Did you have any perceptions about love? Just I was asking this question around, and somebody said that जब मैंने पूछा कि what is it about love that you believed when you were a teenager and you laugh about it now, तो किसी ने कहा कि जो पहली girlfriend होती है वही आपकी
हाँ,
life partner
मेरा भी वही था. Yeah, because
That
I
the
think
first
my
part-
parents must have fed this information to me. That, you know, the first person that, you know, you date, you have to marry that person. Because that's what happened with them. I used to always say that whoever, you know, like, it was never marriage at that time, it was dating. It has to be my friend first. I feel that stayed, which is nice. And, oh my God, I'm thinking. I'm sure I must have thought some really stupid thing.
Okay.
Let it come back to me.
Okay, हाँ, it'll come back when we do this segment, which is called cute or cringe.
Okay.
ठीक है, so मैं आपको ऐसे कुछ situations या scenarios देने वाली हूँ, and you tell me if it's cute or it's cringe.
Okay. Let's
Okay.
go.
Yeah. Falling asleep with your partner on a video call.
That's very cute.
It's cute.
It's very cute.
Okay.
I mean, if you're the person falling asleep, if it's the other person, that could be a little annoying.
Okay. Making couple hashtags, like names के जो hashtags चलते हैं ना, आधा name इसका, आधा name
वो तो
उसका
शादी पे हो
बनाकर.
जाता है ना.
उसके पहले भी होता है नहीं?
नहीं.
हाँ. But what do you think about शादी में ही चलो?
No, I don't like all that.
No, even I don't.
Yeah.
Baby talking to your partner.
I baby talk to my dog, and people find that also cringe. So it's okay. But yeah, I can't. I don't think I can ever baby talk
No.
a partner. No, I don't think I can do that.
Okay, couple tattoos. Like I've seen कि ना दिल का आधा पार्ट एक उंगली इसकी उंगली में रहता है और दूसरा पार्ट उसकी उंगली में रहता है. Join करके दिल बनता है.
Okay. I'm not for it, but I have very recently had a conversation with a best friend that we should get matching tattoos. So maybe I'm a little hypocritical to call it cringe. But this I don't like. This joining wala I think is adha adhura.
Using words like babu, shona, janu, woo.
Pet names basically, right?
हाँ मतलब correct.
Yeah,
Baby.
I'm not for it. I like names.
Okay.
you know, if somebody's endearingly calling you something, I think it's very sweet.
Okay.
I don't think I have ever. The maximum I think I've said is baby. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't remember.
Okay, next PDA, which is
Oh, I
a
love
big
PDA. I shouldn't be saying this out loud. My parents might watch this.
deal. Saving their name as Jaan, Hubby, Bacha, like phone mein.
Bacha is a bit
Bacha.
much. No? How can you call your? I mean, I guess some people are into that. I don't know. But no.
No. Okay. Cringe for you?
Cringe.
Cringe. Writing long paragraphs on birthdays and anniversaries.
It's extremely cringe, but I do it myself. So I'm very self-aware, guys.
Okay. Celebrating monthly anniversaries.
No.
Like
Cringe.
happy first month, happy
I
second
remember.
month.
Yeah, I know a lot of people who do that, but
Cringe.
cringe.
Yeah. Okay. Sharing the same toothbrush.
Oh God, no. No, cringe. And very unhygienic. Guys, don't do it.
Unhygienic.
Even if you think it's cute, it's not good for you.
Okay. Sitting side by side in cafes.
Sitting side by side means
Like
as
for
opposed to
example-
samne.
Haan, as
Oh,
opposed
I
to
love
samne,
that. Very, very
side by
cute.
side.
Very cute. I'm very for that.
Feeding your partner with your own hand.
No cringe.
It's cringe.
You know, you're eating something, you feed somebody one bite. Like, oh, do you want to try this? And I give you a bite. I think that's
नहीं,
cute.
नहीं, ऐसे बैठ के
हाँ, वो
ऐसे
नहीं,
baby की
नहीं,
तरह
नहीं, नहीं,
खिलाना.
oh, God, please. Cringe.
Okay,
I don't want to feed, and I mean, I don't want to like be the person feeding also, and I don't even want to be fed. Yeah.
Okay, and last one, keeping each other's photograph as the phone wallpaper.
I don't want to be so extreme and call it cringe, but it's somewhere in the middle. It's not cute. It's not cringe. It's okay. I mean,
Okay. बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो सारे हमारी लाइक जो फैंटेसीज एंड आइडिया ऑफ लव है ये बहुत ज्यादा influenced है also because of Bollywood and the movies that we
True.
watched,
or
right?
even the people who've fallen in love around us, right? Like my grandparents, my nana and my nani had a love marriage.
Wow.
My own parents had a love marriage, and I mean, it was intercaste, so whatever. Even they were rebellious about it. So I feel like it's also because, you know, I've heard about these stories and stuff, and I've been told since I was a kid that you have to fight for your love.
So what about the relationship that your parents share with each other would you want to have with your
Oh,
partner?
so much. I think the most important thing is the fact that they really fought for their love. And there's this very beautiful, I don't know if you've seen it, a reel of Keanu Reeves it went viral, where he was like, if the love is not worth fighting for, then is it really worth it, or something. I must have really massacred the quote. But I really believe that love requires effort. I don't believe in effortless love. So I think that is something that I've seen with both my parents, where they're two very different individuals. They're kind of like chalk and cheese. And every day they wake up and choose to do certain things because they love each other. So I think these are little things I see in my parents.
Wow.
Yeah, which I would love to have in the future.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.